Now, I noticed there are kids here in the hall tonight. You're a kid? Okay. I saw some smaller kids too. I'm sure you already know the drill about the birds and the bees and stuff. But we've come to a really good segment now that I'm just saying this. Moms and pops, sorry for being a little bit foul-mouthed. I have a tendency to say shit. And I do say fuck a lot. But think about it. It's a good thing. Fuck a lot. I know you like it anyways, and they will learn. They will learn anyways. One of these days, you gotta get the finger, you know that. Then the only thing that you can hope for is that you will make peace when they're a little bit older. But anyways, this is a good biology lesson, with less filth, I tell you that. You know, when one person meets another person, sometimes it's just unavoidable. They will eventually now comes the good part. And when they do, you know what? If they do it well enough, and maybe not on the first date, it doesn't always work directly, so don't have too fucking high hopes, right? But the most important thing is that you both work for a common goal. So you have to thrust and counter-thrust and do it together, like a tango that takes two. But let's just say for shits and giggles that it works on the first time. They're doing it, and they have good tempo and good sense of rhythm. And maybe they can both come. Maybe even at the same time. And they can both be happy, yes. Now, Floridians. Class, let's move the subject. We're moving over to religion. My God, the party pooper. This constant turmoil. Do you know that for hundreds of years, thousands of years even, and still today, in imbecile, medieval, stupid societies, the female orgasm is looked upon as a craft of the devil. What do you think about that, Florida? Every night the same thing. Not really yes, not really no. It's just it's fine. It's cool. You know what? It's a trick question, you see. And we're gonna make it very, 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 very simple for you. So you don't have to take a stance. Know one thing, this is a rock and roll show. So per default, according to them peoples, this is a black mass for the Dark Lord. So here we celebrate the female orgasm, right? Yes. So basically this last song that we're gonna do now, it's a song that sonically and lyrically sort of paints a picture of how one such female orgasm can be achieved in a slightly overcomplicated and ritualistic way. So, but fear not, peoples, boys and girls and girls and girls and boys and boys, whatever you like. You don't have to make it this complicated. Just listen to what the other person is saying or doing and give it a push. Go home and give it a push, peoples. But before you do, will you sing this last song with us?